on my mind all day.
This is the kind of piece you actually will wear this summer.
Water just flowing through space till I landed on the record.
Hi guys, and I want to present you this top which I knitted recently in the light blue and pink color, and this is very trendy in the summer 2026. So we will go through some inspiration and through all the steps which you need to recreate in order to design and recreate this top. So let's get into it.
While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be.
I like to begin with the mood rather than instructions. So here I am looking at the knit tops, focusing on its lightness and texture and how the fabric moves.
In the back, I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine,
They feel very effortless, especially for high summer, breathable and not very soft against the skin. Others are a bit more defined with a cleaner structure. These tops are very easy to style. You can wear it with jeans or pair it with light summer pants. I'm paying attention to small details, the neckline, the spacing of the lace,
the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing don't sound.
and color plays a big role here. I wanted to do something very suitable for the summer and not just beige. I wanted to use some bright colors, because if you want your knit to look really modern and fashionable and not old-fashioned, you want to use really nice and bright colors. I'm not recreating a specific piece, I'm selecting elements, the mood, the proportion, the feeling, and from that the design starts to take its own form. For this top I'm using the cotton aligning blend yarn. It's really important for summer. You want to avoid the wool here, you want to use something breathable because wool won't give you the same light feeling, and I'm using needles size 5 or 6, whatever is good for you, but you can adjust depending on your tension. Here you can find the knitting pattern for this vest. The construction is actually very simple and is made of 2 panels, front and back, then joined at the sides and the shoulders. And the lace pattern repeats across the body, so once you understand it, it's very rhythmic and relaxing to do it.
Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain.
The pattern is based on simple lace repeat. You will alternate between yarn overs and decreases, which creates open, airy texture. Once you complete a few rows, you'll start to see the pattern forming. Repeat this section until you reach your desired length. For more airy look, you want to use bigger needles. I ended up using number 8. This pattern is really a mixture of some basic knitting stitches. If you're very new to knitting and you don't know how to do the simple knitting stitches, you can either search YouTube or let me know in the comments if I need to provide some guidance here. This is where this handsome piece really comes alive. You can style it with white jeans or light blue jeans. You can wear it with a silk skirt. It's one of those pieces that fits really into everything. You can also style it casually with linen trousers. Great for summer. If you like this kind of modern knitwear, I'm creating more pieces like this and I'll be sharing more designs you can actually wear. Let me know what you want to see next.